peace, stress free, let it be.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Ashley, and today we are going to be trying to remove some very old, I'm assuming, stains from these sweatshirts that I thrifted. So in this package I have two sweatshirts that I thrifted, which I'm going to show you right now. I just wanted to open the package because I don't know, I love watching people open packages, so maybe people would like watching me open packages, I don't know. But I bought them off of Depop for a very good price. I got them really cheap. And part of the reason that the person was selling them for so cheap was because they had a bunch of stains on them, and they were like deeply ingrained stains. Like, they were there. But I really liked the sweatshirts. I really wanted them, so I thought that this might be a really good opportunity to try some stain removal techniques that I can find online. I don't know. I also called my mom to ask her, and she had some helpful ideas too, but it was mostly what I saw online. So we are going to be trying some of those techniques to get these stains out. I do not know what these stains are, nor does the person who I bought them from, because they just like thrifted them as well. That's one of the things about thrifting clothes, is that they can have like stains and stuff on them. So I thought that this might be a useful video for a lot of people who thrift their items, or just people who get stains in their clothes or whatever. So I thought that I would share the process, and fingers crossed the stains come out, but I honestly can't promise that they do. So let's open this up to see what we're working with. Also, don't forget, while I'm getting this open, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below so that I know. And also comment, I don't know, I guess comment down below if you have any like family secret or like personal secret stain removal techniques that you want to share with anybody who may be struggling, and if these techniques in this video don't work, they could maybe use those instead. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this and from that's loud. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this and from me, then feel free to subscribe. And also, I just want to say thank you so much for 800 friends on this channel. It completely slipped my mind, but we hit 800 friends like a couple of days ago. So I'm really excited about that. We are so close to my goal for the year of 1,000 friends, and it is only like halfway through the year. So that's super exciting. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you for being subscribed. And if you're not subscribed and you want to join this friend group, then come on and join. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you. I'm not going to give my spiel that I give every 100 subscribers, but just thank you all so much. You don't know how much it means to me. Okay, so here's the first sweatshirt that I got. It's a super cute oversized Mickey Mouse sweatshirt, and the only stain that I can find, you're not even going to be able to see it, I'm sure, is there's a little dot. That's the only stain. So I guess we won't be working on this one, really, because that stain, I don't care about that. But this next one, here's the next one that I got. It's so cute. It has these like 3 doggies on it, and from the front, and then the back it has their butts on it. I could not pass this up. I think this is the cutest sweatshirt ever, and it was such a good price. I like couldn't say no. So the stains on this one did look a lot more like dramatic in the picture, and they're actually not super noticeable, but I do see them. So let me just point them out real quick. On the sleeve, there's like what looks like an ink stain, and then there's a lot of like darkness around it. And then it looks like there's maybe some like sweat pit stains right here. The front has like a pretty fair amount of stains. I'm sorry you can't see that. There's like stains like all over the front, just like there you can see it. There's like that pretty much all over the front. The other armpit does not have any stains, just a couple holes. This sleeve also has a hole, and there's a stain right there. It's pretty noticeable. And the back doesn't really have any staining, other than like the armpit stain on this side. So those are the stains that we're working with. Now let me show you what I found online to try to get them out, like all of the techniques. Okay, so the most common thing that I saw on the internet was to use vinegar and baking soda, and lucky for me, I already had these things in my house, as I feel like most people would probably. So it's really handy that this was the most common thing that I saw. So this is just like distilled white vinegar and some regular baking soda. But then I called my mom and I was like, hey, do you have any like family secret techniques to get these stains out? And she didn't really have like secret techniques, because there were also things that I saw online, but she said that it kind of depends on what the stain is. And I was like, well, I don't, like, nobody knows what the stain is. I have no idea. So she was saying if it's some kind of like bodily fluid, then you should use peroxide. And then she said if it's some kind of like food or grease stain or something, then dish soap would be the way to go. This is dish soap. It's just in a pump because that's how I use it. And I get it from like the zero waste store, but it is like tough on grease and all that kind of stuff. So it's probably pretty close to like the Dawn, so yeah. And then everything that I read said to use a toothbrush so that you can like get into those fibers and stuff. So we're gonna be using a toothbrush. And then I also have this OxyClean White Revive laundry whitener and stain remover, but I also use this on colored clothes that get stains on them as well, and it doesn't like bleach them or anything. It just works to get the stains out. And I've only used this on newer stains, so I don't know how this works on older stains, but it can't hurt to throw this in the washer as well when we're washing it. I think first I might try to take my mom's advice and put some peroxide on the stains and also put some dish soap on the stains and see if either one of those start to lift the stains up a little bit. So I think that's where we're gonna start, and then we will go to the vinegar and baking soda afterwards. So if you wanna see if these internet techniques work and if I can actually get these stains out of this sweatshirt, then make sure you stay until the end, watch through the whole video, grab a snack, hang out, and let's try to remove some stains. Okay, so first, I'm pretty sure this stain underneath of the armpit is sweat. So I'm gonna assume that it's a bodily fluid, and we're gonna try some hydrogen peroxide. I should maybe be doing this in like a sink or something, but that's okay. Also, the inside of the sweatshirt is like not soft. If anybody has any tips on how to like soften this up so it's like comfy, because that's kind of a bummer. So I don't know if you can see this stain. It's not showing up very well on the camera, but in person it's pretty dark. It's right here. It's pretty noticeable and like yellow. So I guess we'll just put some peroxide on it. Try not to drop it on the floor. Too late, I did. And start scrubbing, I guess. Okay, this isn't coming out. So maybe it's not sweat. Or maybe it's just been in there for so long that it's not coming out. I guess let's try peroxide on some other stains. Like this pretty dark one on the, not the ink. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the ink out, which sucks, but there's a ton more like really dark stains on this sleeve. There's like a really dark stain right there. That's the ink stain that I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to get out. There's just like these dark yellow stains all over. Or maybe, let's try the soap, because there's a good chance that this is food on the sleeve. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put a dollop of soap. Scrub that in there. Maybe soap mixed with hydrogen peroxide. I can't tell if it's coming out or if it's just like lightening because the soap is like sudsing white on top of it, you know? All right, I'm losing faith in both of these pretty quickly. That doesn't seem to have worked. I'm gonna go to a new stain and try the solution that I saw the most on the internet, which was white vinegar. Not sure I'm gonna pour this without making a mess. I love the smell of vinegar. It smells so good. Okay, so I've saturated the stain with my vinegar. Wait, that actually looks like it lightened it a little bit. Okay, let's see what it said to do with the baking soda. Hold on. Okay, so it says saturate set-in stains with vinegar, then rub the spot with a paste made from equal parts vinegar and baking soda. So let's make a paste. I should maybe not be doing this on my floor, but in case you haven't been able to tell from my other videos, I am a floor person. You can't see what I'm doing, I'm sorry. Okay. Actually, we'll do 2 tablespoons of each. Doesn't baking soda and vinegar like explode? Like, isn't that how you make a volcano? Right? Or am I wrong? I could be wrong. Seems like it's setting me up for failure though, like an explosion. 1 tablespoon. Oh my god! It's exploding! I was right. I definitely thought it was gonna like explode more. That's how I remember it happening, but I guess not. It's not very pasty though. I think I might need to add more baking soda. Yeah, there's no paste going on here. We're getting pasty, we're getting pasty. Okay, I think that's enough of a paste to call it a paste. Here we go. Saturate in vinegar again, because it already dried. Very well saturated. Then you take your paste, that's not really a paste, and then you brush it like that. I'm gonna smell like straight up vinegar after this, I'm sure. Okay, it doesn't seem to be removing or lightening, and I can't figure out what I'm doing wrong. We're gonna add some dish soap for the heck of it. This is our try everything stain. I would honestly be happy with at least like lightening them, you know? Okay, that does look like it could have lightened it. It looks a lot lighter, but I can't tell if that's just because there's like stuff on top of it. Let's add some peroxide for the heck of it. We might have done it. I guess let's try our concocted mess on the other stains. I'm actually gonna look up how to get ink stains out. I'm pretty sure that's ink, it's like blue. This says rubbing alcohol. I'm seeing rubbing alcohol and lemon juice and hairspray. What a weird thing and salt. Okay, let's try rubbing alcohol and lemon juice because I do have those. We're gonna remove an ink stain today. Okay, for our ink stain, we have rubbing alcohol, we have salt, and I don't have fresh lemon juice, but I do have natural lemon juice in a bottle. Hopefully that's the same thing. Let's try the rubbing alcohol first. Oh, that smells terrible. Now that my whole house is gonna smell like rubbing alcohol. Let's close that up. Try just the rubbing alcohol. Nothing's happening. Okay, next let's go with the lemon juice. Actually, no, maybe we should do the salt first. I don't know what the difference is. We'll just do the lemon juice. Oh my god, that was so much lemon juice. We're actually just gonna destroy the sweatshirt more. That's what today's video is. Okay, let's try salt. I don't know what salt is supposed to do for it, but let's try some. I'm not sure what that was meant to do. It's not doing anything. Let's go back to our baking soda and vinegar mixture and let's add some of that. Okay, this isn't going so well. It's not really working. Actually, it does kind of look like it's lightening, but I can't really tell. It's a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. It seems like it's lightening though, I think. I think that was a fail, but we won't know for sure until we actually wash it. So let's go in with the vinegar on the other stains, I guess. I feel like my mom's like watching this right now and like crying. Like she's like, why would you do that on the floor? Sorry to all of the moms crying and just all of the people in general who are crying at my technique. The internet said to do this, but they did not say to do it on the floor. That was my choice. And I take full responsibility for it. I apologize. I'm getting really hot and this is getting really tiring, so I'm not even gonna worry about the stains that like aren't super noticeable because to be honest, they're so unnoticeable that I can't even find them right now. So we're just gonna go back to the darker stains, work on those a little bit more, and then we'll wash it. Because I know that this is going really fast for you because I'm cutting things out and like speeding things up. It's taking a pretty long time on my end. I don't think I've ever scrubbed anything so hard in my entire life. Just saying. I'm feeling like it's working, but I think it's just because like it's making a white like product, like a frothy white. And I think it's just covering up the stain for now. But it's really getting my hopes up that this is working. These are some really deep stains, so while I didn't expect it to like fully come out, I mean I kind of did, honestly. But at the very least, I'm just hoping that I lightened a lot of them so they're not like as noticeable. And yeah, I think these stains have probably just been in there for so long that I think that that's the best we can hope for. I guess let's go throw it in the washer. Oh my god, my arm is so tired. That was so much more effort than I thought it would be. Okay, so I've called my mom, who's very knowledgeable about pretty much everything. And she said that I should use a cycle that goes from warm to cold. But I don't have that because my dryer is basic. So we're just gonna use a cool setting. She said it was fine. I'm gonna put some of this OxyClean in there. You just put it right in the drum. It's really easy. And then she said that I should put it in there on its own. So that's what we're doing. I do have natural detergent that I like to use, but I think for this we're gonna use Tide. I think I'm also gonna add some vinegar into the detergent area. I usually do that when my clothes have stains and it works, so we'll just add it in there. So she said to go on a normal cycle on cool. Fingers crossed, let's hope for the best. Okay, so it didn't work out so well. It did seem like it was faded, but I think we could do better. So I just reapplied the like baking soda and vinegar paste and also vinegar. We're gonna try it again. And if it's not as good as I think it could be by the end of this, I think we might just give up because this is a lot of work. Hey Siri, what washer temperature is best for removing stains? Fuck it, we're gonna try hot water. Or warm, we'll try warm. I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll see. Oh my gosh, that lightened so much. Oh my gosh, these are all so light now, you can barely see them. That's so exciting. All right, let's try it. Okay, I wanted to wait until the next day so that you could see it in like kind of the same light. So here we are, the next day, same time around. The stains look so much better. Most of them, I can't even see them, like I can't even find them anymore. The only one that's still really prominent is, let me find it, the ink stain. But look at how much lighter that is compared to what it was. I know it's really hard to tell, so I actually took some before pictures on my phone. So I'll put the pictures like side by side, before and after here, so you can see the difference of the stains. Most of them completely gone. Like what? The other ones, like the ink one, they lightened significantly. Like you can barely even tell it's there. You could tell just right now, I had a hard time finding it. So yeah, it looks so much better. Literally, just looking at it, like there's just no stains. It's insane. It's like so hard to get like deep set-in stains out like that. So I'm really happy that those techniques work. To be honest, I can't tell you which one worked because I was just putting them all together, as you saw. But maybe putting them all together was what worked. But I'm really happy that it worked. Whatever worked, it worked. So the internet and my mom did not let me down, which I'm really happy about, because now I have a super cute dog sweatshirt and it has like barely noticeable stains on it. I know that staining is a huge problem when thrifting your clothes, so I just wanted to put this video out for anybody who may need it, especially because a ton more people are thrifting now, I feel like. So this might be useful information for you all. I just wanted to test out some, I don't know, some internet stain removal hacks, I guess, with products that you probably have in your house, because I had all of these products. I didn't have to go buy anything special, which is amazing. So yeah, I'm really happy that it worked. I'm happy that my sweatshirt has no stains now. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you again a million times for 800 friends on this channel. I'm so thankful to have you all here. I can't wait. What was I, where was I going with that? I don't know. I can't wait for the future with you all. I can't remember what I was about to say. I lost my train of thought. I can't wait for the future with you all to see what we create together, and I'm so excited for this friendship and this friend group to grow. So if you want to join this friend group, be sure to subscribe down below, and also if you want to see more videos like this and from me, then make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to comment. What was the comment thing? It's not that important. Oh, I guess if you have any stain removal hacks, but now we verified that these work, so we don't really need your input. I'm just kidding. If you want to still give it, it's fine. There's always, this might not work for every kind of fabric, so there's always room for more information. It's always useful. So leave your hacks down below if you have any. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you again for 800 friends, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.